Can weighted blankets fix sleep and stress problems? Here's what you need to know.
Before we begin, do us a favor and click that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to be inspired by these inspiring stories every day.
When it comes to dealing with anxiety and stress, it can often feel like you're completely alone in the world. No matter how much you try to calm yourself down, it's hard to express what you're feeling to anyone, and instead you'd rather just be held tight in a cozy embrace. Something about the strength around you and the calming external reminders that there's more than what's going on in your head helps your heart rate slow back down and your mind to relax. The problem is, it's not like there's someone who can follow us around all the time, hugging us until we're calm. But lately, a new trend in self-care has taken over, and it's perhaps the best invention ever. It actually has two main benefits. First, it helps keep people from tossing and turning at night, letting you get the rest they need. And second, people who have used them claim it makes them feel calmer and less anxious because it does actually feel like a big hug. The general rule for weighted blankets is to get one that's about 10% of your body weight. But the only downside is that they can be expensive. But luckily, Black Friday, there are a few deals to help you take advantage of this stress-reducing technique. Target selling a 12-pound weighted blanket for only $50, a savings of $19.99 as a doorbuster on November 22nd and 23rd. And Kohl's is selling a 12-pound blanket that usually retails for $139.99 for only $59.99. This deal is also valid only on November 22nd and 23rd. They've got a bunch of affordable options that even come in different sizes and weights, so you can pick the one that's perfect for you. The Zahn Lee weighted blanket ranges in price based on what size you want and how heavy you want it. The prices range from $60 to $120, but there are so many color options and weight choices that it's definitely worth it. You can check it all out here. That's not the only affordable option either. Amazon has a couple other ones that are a great deal. The Amy Garden weighted blanket also has a bunch of weight and color choices, ranging in price from $69 to $105. You can find all the choices and sizes here. The Pine and River weighted blanket is one of the more affordable options, starting at only $49.99 and going up to $69.99. It's great for kids because it's lightweight and is a good way to test out if it works for you. The YNM weighted blanket ranges in price from $63.90 to $159 and has the option to purchase an additional cover to get on it. There are hundreds of options to choose from, but if you're someone who deals with anxiety, restless nights, and stress, this is the perfect item for you. It also makes an amazing Christmas gift, so maybe pick one up for your loved ones. The only thing to be careful of is those with sleep apnea or the tendency to snore, as weight on their chests may make it worse. The world is filled with stories going viral every single day. But how many of these sites can you actually follow? We understand that your day should start with positive stories, stories that resonate with you. And so we started JoJo Stories. Our mission is to create meaningful stories that cover everything from animals to anthropology, history to environment and lifestyle. The kind of content you read on our site will be one you'll want to share with your family and friends. We hope you'll join our growing family and be part of our community. Welcome to JoJo Stories. JoJoStories.com.